Exercise 7.2, fourth question. The population of a village is 15,000. If the population increased by 5% in a year, find the population after 1 year. Solution. Village population 15,000. Increase in a year 5%. 5% increase in a year means 15,000 into 5% divided by 100. So now cut 20 from 100 and 20 from 15,000. Now multiply 5 into 150. You will get 750. 750 people increased in 1 year. Population after years 750 plus 15,000. You will get total population after 1 year. Rahila pays 5% of her salary in a charity in a month. If she pays 200, find her monthly salary. Solution. Rahila pays charity per month 5%. Rupees charity in a month 200 rupees. Monthly salary you have to find. We have to find quantity. We know that quantity is equal to percent of the quantity divided by rate. Here monthly salary yani quantity is a monthly salary. Percent of the quantity is 200 divided by percentage 5%. Now solve it. 5% means 5 out of 100. You will write 5 out of 100. Now you may solve it. 100 goes up and 5 goes down. Divide by 5 40 times. Now 40 into 100 is 4,000. Her monthly salary is 40,000. Rahila's monthly salary is 40,000. The 18% of the distance between two cities is 36 km. Find the distance between two cities. Solution. Distance between two cities 80%. Distance in a quantity, yani 80% of the quantity is 36 km. Total distance between two cities, you have to find it. By using formula, we know that quantity barabar hai percent of the quantity divided by rate. Total distance, percent of the quantity 36 divided by rate is 18%. Now 36 into 18% means 18 by 100. 18 out of 100. Now you solve this equation. To solve divide, you have to shift 100 above and 18 down, bring down. Now divide by 18. 36 is divided by 2 times by 18. Now 200 into 2 is equal to 200. Distance between two cities is 200 km. It's very simple. Naim's monthly income is 8,000 and he spent 6,000 per month. Find the percentage of his expenditure. Solution. Naim's monthly income is 8,000. He spent in month 6,000. Percentage of expenditure you have to find. By using formula, we know that percentage is equal to part of quantity divided by quantity into 100. Percentage of expenditure we have to find. Put the value of part of quantity is 6,000 and the quantity is 8,000. multiply by 100. Solve this equation. Cut 20 from here and 20 from 8000. Now 600 divided by 8. Yani 1600 by 8, you will get 75%. Percentage of the name expenditure is 75%. On a rainy day, 600 students out of 750 were present in a school. What percentage of the students were absent? Solution. The total students 750. Present student 600. Absent students 750 minus 600. You will get absent students. The total absent students, you will get 150. Percentage of the students, you have to find it. Percentage of the absent student, you have to find it by using formula percentage part of the quantity divided by quantity into 100%. Percentage of the students will be equal to 150, part of the quantity 150 and 750 total students, yani total quantity into 100%. Cut to value 25 divided 750 by 30 times. Now 30 will divide 150 by 5 times. 5 into 4, 20. 20%. Percentage of the students were absent 20%.